Hey Pash fam, it's Joni, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our brand new calendar date stickers. We're really excited to introduce this new product because we know a lot of our Pash fam love using the Undated Passion Planner, but don't always love writing down the dates with a pen. This tool is going to be really helpful if you own a dated passion planner, or you can also use it for any planner that you might have not used, like a 2020 planner. In this video, I'll go over the color options for the stickers, tools that you'll need, and how to place them into your planner. Let's get into it. We currently have 3 colors available to choose from: rainbow, black, and black clear. Both the rainbow and black have opaque backgrounds, which is perfect if you're trying to redate a planner or using white paper. The black clear sheet has a transparent background, which is ideal for the undated planner or if you like having a clean, transparent look. Each pack comes with 3 sheets. 12 sets of numbers 1 through 31 for your weekly pages, 1 with the months and days for your monthly pages, and a fun sheet with different stickers to use for birthdays, weather, and more. In order to use these stickers, we recommend getting sticker tweezers. This is because the stickers are super small and it's really complicated to take the stickers off with your finger. Sticker tweezers are specifically made to pick up stickers because they have an angled sharp point, but regular tweezers could also work well if you're really careful. Using this will help you get the most precise position in your planner and easily take it off the page if you mess up. The first way to use these stickers is to date your undated passion planner. Here I'm using one of our new undated planners in the color Woodland Brown. This planner is in the medium size, but these stickers will work for any size planner you have. In order to grab a sticker, pinch the paper a little bit to raise the sticker from the sheet. Then, with your tweezers, carefully grab the corner of the sticker and slowly peel it off of the sheet. Place the sticker in your desired location and secure it down with your finger or tweezers. I recommend working together with your tweezers and finger to place the sticker down. Your tweezers will help position the sticker on the page while your finger secures it. This will ensure that the sticker stays on and is perfectly placed. Now I'm going to date a weekly spread and repeat the same process. Pinch the page, grab the sticker, and place it down. Again, the stickers are very small, so take your time. And voila! Now you have dates in your undated planner. The great thing about using an undated passion planner paired with these dating stickers, you can choose to date your planner anytime you want. And even if you end up leaving your planner in a drawer for an entire year, you can always go back in, date them, and pick up where you left off. Since the black stickers are opaque, you can actually redate your planner as well. For instance, if you still have your 2020 planner, or even if you got your 2021 planner late, you can use these stickers to cover up the old dates and it's good as new. So now you don't have to waste any blank pages, you can go back in, redate them, and it's like it never even happened. My last bonus tip is to use your dating stickers in a passion journal. We're so excited about our new passion journals, and this is just another place that you can use your dating stickers. You can date your journal entries or use the number stickers to create a Bujo spread. We also have a table of contents section, so you can use these stickers to mark your pages. And that is how you use our brand new dating stickers. We hope this tool helps you stay organized or reclaim your planner no matter what season of your life you may be in. Leave a comment down below if you're planning on getting your own set of dating stickers and how you're going to use yours. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to Passion Planner's YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any tips or tutorials on how to use your planner in the best way possible. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to start. See you next time. Bye.